Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to this video. In this video, we will be reacting to emergency alert systems all in the entire world. But first of all, before we start the video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can get started. Enough of the talking. Let's begin with the video. Everyone, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
I'm so excited. I can't wait for this.
A list of emergency alert system alarms all around the world.
Hi. I guess it can't be loud.
Hey, I heard this emergency alarm before. It's a United States emergency alert system sound.
I know you heard about this alarm before.
Even though this sound is not actually bad.
What the heck? Was that a Canadian EAS alarm?
Yes, that's a Canadian EAS alarm.
This isn't good. There we go.
That was scary. Emergency, 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 emergency. Emergency, 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 emergency. Emergency,
What the?
Gulf War in 1991. This is the best question ever.
Why are you guys still silent?
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, oh.
What was that Israel ball doing here?
IDK.
What the?
Tsunami.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica. Seismic alert.
Seismic alert.
Alerta sísmica. Alerta sísmica.
Why are the four of you raising their hands?
This is just only a
only
technical difficulty
sound.
Hold up, let me mute it.
Why did you mute it?
Because it's scary.
Oh.
Now I'm going to unmute it.
Why did you mute it again?
Because it's probably scary.
What? Oh.
Dude, that sounds like Morse code.
What the Yak.
10、9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1。
Hold up. This is the alarm that I'm not looking for. Let's switch it. They're much better.
No.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa, whoa.
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 Tsunami, evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad. Atención, tsunami, evacuar, tsunami, evacuar a zona de seguridad.
Argentina Messi.
فوجون على مسجد سلامات من شنافيل استخدام خطايا سیاسی نمانده نمانی و مفهوم آمدین بفکه حمله هوایی انجام خواهد شد محل کار فرودگاه تا به پناهگاه بروید
shoot.
You deserve to die. No, you do. Take that. Yeah, we win.
Well, that was a Russia and Ukraine fight.
The Lithuanian EAS alarm sounds like a tornado siren when there was a tornado near your location.
Did somebody say Lithuanian?
Lithuania? What are you doing here?
Okay, sorry to burst your bubble. I gotta go. Wee!
That was confusing. Anyways, let's continue the video.
Yo, what the heck? Old Bulgarian. Dude, that's EAS alarm of the Old Bulgarian.
Ouch, my ears. Thank you. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye.